Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to order Dave's hot chicken. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. To order from Dave's hot chicken, you have several conventional options, like number one is online ordering through official website. Visit Dave's hot chicken official website to place an order for pickup at your local restaurant, or you can use your mobile app. Download the Dave's hot chicken app on your device to customize and place your order for pickup. The app also offers features like earning rewards and exclusive offers. Delivery services: use Grubhub to order Dave's hot chicken for delivery to your location, or DoorDash. Alternatively, DoorDash provides delivery services for Dave's hot chicken. Number 3, in-person pickup. Find a location. Use the location page to find the nearest Dave's hot chicken restaurant. Place an order. Once there, you can place your order at the counter and use the self-service kiosks if available. And that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.